Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
तो मालिक है वो आपका गुवाहाटी में नहीं है अभी वो मंडे को आएगा गुवाहाटी तो हम मेरे साथ को पूरा मंडे को आपको मिलेगा आके
नहीं ये हम लैब्स ना ये लोग ऑनर है ना इसका तो काम होगा ना ये लोग तो ऑनर है तो अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो अगर वो आपका मालिक ना तुरंत वो तो आना पड़ेगा ना स्टाफ को प्रॉब्लम है तो इमरजेंसी आना पड़ेगा ऐसा वो बोलेगा रुकेगा 2 दिन का बाद 3 दिन का बाद ऐसा नहीं होगा ना ये लोग तो ऑनर है that respect of level.
And then also you have already received the notices, no? It's not that you haven't received the notices or not. You have received the notice twice, that is in a period of 60 days, 60 days. So you should have honored that contract that you have with the owners also, no? So you cannot just...
At least 1 month they have given you extra.
Yeah.
It's already 7 months.
7 months now.
To be 7 months.
So tomorrow will be 7 months exactly. So they have given you enough time, ample enough of time. So they understand that you have guests and everybody, you don't want to disturb you, and we don't want to disturb the guests because these are our priorities only. Okay, but now you have violated the contract and everything, and you're just keeping quiet, and for 7 months, 6 months, it's not done, no. Just imagine how much these people have to suffer from your misbehavior. So you please talk with your owner, tell him to come now or somehow, some way, we don't know, send a representative, someone from the company or anyone, so that we can sort this out today also. If it's needed, the guest has to clear out from here. We'll lock. The owner is telling that they will lock down the building, your side of the building. So it's up to them now what they decide, whether they gonna lock down the building or not. Okay. So we are just here not to interfere, but we're just here to support. Get them a moral support that whatever they're doing it according to the tenant right that you have signed it, that you have agreed with them. It's not that you haven't signed an agreement or anything. It's just word by mouth. You have it on paper, so you cannot say that we have our service like this like that for 1 month, 2 months. It cannot be. You already have ample enough of time. They have served you notices after notices, so you cannot just delay the process, no? So just imagine if it's your business also, how much you will suffer, right? They have to feed their family, and it's not a small family also.
Ke mengintas ni mah kembali hidup Neutral Integrated Territorial Organization. Niwan mentas ni apa? Trong Shillong Street niwan apa kani ka hotel beri ka Majesty Hotel mah kani ni apa? Gateway Hotel, sorry. Jadi kalau kawan ke city nakaliang juga try jom kani ke Jakarta, jom kani ka building, jom kani bro, right? Kalau ba ipan sinirap mani bakadon kata kalap sapo jom kata tenants mah jom tenants ye kadon kalap spa kamsi ka bayway ni ka bayway matalah nyau bana jom nyau bana de kunta ni rumah sinyo ya kata ka jikip ye kinila patha i maru ba injat ka kum ka kendon badi banya jom tenant agreement act de nang tapat bila ada ya kita gilenti la ada te khadu khatwai pat iwan menta ka sini hamne banwan ban ye kran le ban ini try nang ta pat manager jo ban ka hotel nang ban yo ban khang no e kata ka hotel handai kat kum ka jinge kran ni badan ki gas ye ni apo hotel ru te yakir kwa hi ban put namar kini gidi bawan jengok ka kimdan jinge dei bat kani ka problem mena kani te issue te kum tahi itrai ru la rai ba in ai jakabet in ai be kani ka jaka hadu singkong kata kalong kendai kerik adu kan arbuje ba utrai ru unyo banwan ban kendu bagi ban resolve kami ka problem ka issue demi nang taru ka ba arba ya kani ka hotel kan arbuje seneng kinum yo syu makiru ban penyai no di gas ru kita issue ban ship adu mentang sini bagi gas baru kai kan arterik la di ban minta tang ta jungi kaseng hitur nakalian jungi kaseng hitur ni kerpan ya baru kasih jungi parado para snap jungi daraf day na jangya day na east casios na west na no so abi film kanu bekam bagi bar jalan dan bomday nang ni napori kasih jungi ni day ban yeshim daga agreement day ban daga agreement bakini babumut ban yetrai kamlang amar balai ni ong ye kata ni pensidor ye biru ye kata babile daga agreement lamar balai lada kadon kum kani ka jingjang lada kadon kum kani ka jingjai lada kadon so ka kajing wat kita solution mah te lada umdan ka agreement umdan ka jingtho jingtar kalong ka ba yaki ba pimpin si siya ba uni ubre ula ale kunta Mo ban be eki na yeng na sam ne nakajaka baki wai makiru kalong ke bajing jari pi. Te kum tahi ngi ong ye baro khaj ki khasi para do para senam jini ba fidei bandrung haka agreement banda penbiang kita ki pelidar nei banda lirung hapo kini ki chamber jeng ki pelidar kenang ba video kita ki kot isla ki deeds ba fidei ban ya pentrikam ba ne breu kenang ba kam jeng piru kan syai kanumdan kanu ka jing ki lan pisa ne ki jing ye dei para breu ma takum tahi pleasure nakaliang hadu mentaro ngila ya persyang ban phone ye ngila nakaliang jung itrai ru ngila phone nakaliang jungir ngila phone nrai kamdan ka response what did you try ru la sport bapa ka notice ka first notice second notice ru kim dan kata ka respond kan nakaliang jung ti mental adan jen nyau banai ru menu ru ngila call hi kadai so kumno ti ngila phone biang hi yu breu bodon kam so kadai ka kam ka jam ka kamai bisa ka kam kamai keji ti lada la tinakaliang jung ngiru ngila phone ngila tangba kamdan ka respond nakaliang jung ki te kum tahi kai ngi ba uni udah karu ule siliang ule be bantap lab ya kan ka jing le jung usngap le te kum tahi ngiru ngimpan si ban hap ban mi ban yarap mi parado para senam jungi ba long irang baru ban pen i lenti igi samla jungi kumno ban trai kita kam ko ri jungi
nakaliang utrai jo kene ka cakap utrai jo kene bakal jo kene ka
pej fi hap su thu bakani ka hotel gateway ma kani ka hotel gateway kadon hapo ka usim wa ni utrai ka uni ko company Perona Infrastructure Private Limited uni udai tau owner jong kani ka company de kisim wa ya kani ka building na ini iba PS PS thaba ma ini isim wa ni ini iba PS thaba ya kani ka building te katahi kadon ka rent agreement kadon ka land agreement ada fi page ba kadon ka land agreement ru kadon ka deed agreement ru kadon tenancy agreement ru kadon mo baro khai ki kot isla ki biang tang ba kinda page pat ikini ki clause pala bu hang ne ula violate lu ki clause ba ro khai kadon hapo kanika tenancy agreement bola ya sign hapdeng jong kanika company Persona Infrastructure Private Limited but ini try TS thaba ma bene ba ini kong Rosa Dekar balong iru itrai jokani ka cakap musyua bareng
kemudian kasih lekong lada wan hapo ka kat arba je la simti hina ne kumna
hoi la kat kum ka jingrai jung itrai kalong be insimti be hima lada wan ne umwan ru insimti be yakani ka hotel in penyat hi be inum asu ka gitwe kat kum ka jing ya thu khana jung i ong ban ai be ha ka tengyeng ka tengsam jung ki khon ki kti amarba ikwa ban pen ilat pen ilinti so iki samla mdei tang kun kti la jong ru andre ya ki samla ru yakani ka kam hoteling business